Mark Ennis, the owner of Flutter by Pizza Pie, a small wood-fired pizzeria in western Washington on the Olympic Peninsula. Our main concern is making the best products from wood-fired pizza ovens to wood-fired pizza. Welcome to Flutter by Studios. We are interested in the intersect of food systems, justice systems, the environment, and how it all interacts for our communities. Dude, do you know who the artist is that made this? I've been looking everywhere for them. I want to tell them I love their work. Let me know if you find them. Oh, God. I might sue them now. It's hazardous out here. A big part of the problem is figuring out what the problem is and what the cause of the problem is. So we just wander around and around trying to figure it out. So sometimes we need to look close to the ground, and sometimes we need to get a bigger, broader approach. Because in order to solve problems, we have to know what the problem is. So I guess let's just keep walking until we figure it out. Oh my God, I think I see it. I almost caught it, but I think I pulled a muscle, but it went over there that way. Let's go check it out. It went up there. Here, let's see if we can make it up there. Come on! Dude, I caught up to it right before you got here, and it got away, but basically the problem is design with humans and how they're interacting with their environment. Our goal is to provide on the smallest scale efficient ways to make life and work manageable and produce things of value that are useful from locally sourced products like farm vegetables, fruits, timber and paper from our forests. But all of this has to do with managing things in a better way, because right now the way things have come within the capitalist system, things have been mismanaged and they're causing major effects on ourselves and our communities and the widespread life on this planet, and we're seeing the effects of it. And the least we can do is use all of the resources that are available to us, which in my opinion there's never been more available resources and information, and although that is overwhelming, we can still work on a local scale to make things amazing. We are going to continue to make pizza and also build our vision of what it would look like if there was an integrated whole system of food production and management of timber, all of this feeding back into clean up not only the earth but clean up the air and the water the best that we can until we continue to catch back up with the problem, because the problem is always changing too, just like we're always changing and everything's changing. And once we catch back up to it, we will once again address it and keep going. We'll be starting small. I really think we should go and make some pizza and go to the skate park. Yeah, let's go. Yeah, I'm out of here. Let's. Let's do this. I'll see you at the kitchen.
bedside phone.
Back in 1904, I was headed for Cumberland Gap when a hard summer rain brought death to my train. Colorado come to wash me out. And the head engineer said, here and here clear, better hang on and hold your cab. And before I could jump those mighty rails sunk, and the whole damn bridge collapsed. Well, oh my, I'm a train in the sky. Sweet Lord, let me feel no fear. And before I go down, please tell Barbara Brown I reckon my heart here. Now the children were crying, all the luggage went flying. It was cold everywhere. There were lovers in the aisle, knotted up in a pile, going hard despite our deep despair. And as we tumbled away to that still water grave,
There's some nice up on the bike.
Oh yeah, no, still rolling. Organic crushed tomatoes. Whole milk mozzarella. Oven roasted tomatoes. Caramelized shallots. Sausage. Sheep's cheese.
This concrete don't have love for me. I took a day. Too much talking, not much to see. I know you always speak on something, so I'll leave on the mic for you.
Pizza pie.
And I'm going off the way. But I'll leave on the lights for you.
Stored sunlight. Yeah, that's a little sketchy, that top row. Look at that latte art. Sweet buzz juice. Oh man, I brewed that perfect.